Want to save more battery overnight with sleep mode on your Galaxy S25 Ultra? You can automatically reduce power usage while you are sleeping without lifting a finger. To set it up, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon, tap Mode and Routine. In the Mode section, tap Sleep, tap Other Action. Now, activate option that helps reduce battery drain while you sleep, such as turn on dark mode, turn on power saving, and turn off always on display. Once done, tap Done button to save your settings. With the setup, now every time sleep mode is active, whether automatically or manually, your phone will use these power saving settings to help conserve battery overnight, so you can start your day with more battery. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.